Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a very quick and easy dessert with only 5 ingredients. So let's get ready. For this recipe you will need biscuits, whipping cream, icing sugar, mascarpone cheese and frozen berries. First of all, let's begin by the whipped cream. In a bowl, add 1 cup of whipping cream and whip it until stiff peak. Then in another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese and incorporate the whipped cream gently. Then add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and finally whip it with a hand mixer. Put the cream in a piping bag and start garnishing. Use a piping bag to fill the biscuit with the cream. Then make 3 layers and finally garnish with frozen berries and a mint leaf. Hope you will enjoy it. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe so that you don't miss my next video.